we are solving easy question from SQL series, the salesperson. So the question gives us three tables: salesperson, company, and the orders table. So what the question asked, and the name of all the salesperson who is not having order related to company with the name red. Okay, and the result table in any order. So the test case is like there are three tables: salesperson, company table, and the order table. So salesperson contains sales ID, name, salary, commission rate, and hire date. Company table, company ID, name, city. Order table, order ID, order date, company ID, sale ID, and amount. And in output they only want name. Okay, so our target to find first the ID of company ID is equal to name, right? Okay, so select those sales ID where the company ID is equal to 1 and name equal to red, or name equal to red. So select sales ID from orders or join company C on O dot company ID equal to C dot company ID, where C dot name equal to red. So this return the ID like 1 and 4. O.com, so this query return us, no issue, this query return us those ID where the name equal to red, so it return 1 and 4. So see 1 and 4, and now we want those name, so select as dot name, just name, select name from sales person where sales ID khatam. So now see, so this is very easy question and simple, one condition, simple join and using not in. So now submitting this. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video and continuously uploading the SQL question in this playlist. So thank you.